In this fast-paced digital age, technology serves as the lifeblood for digital nomads, enabling them to live, work, and thrive from any corner of the globe. The right gadgets can turn any location into a productive workspace, making the world a true oyster. Today, we delve into the top 10 essential tech gadgets that every digital nomad should consider. If you want to be updated with the latest tech trends and gadget recommendations, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned to our channel. Starting at number 10, we have the solar power bank. With the unpredictability of power sources on the go, this gadget ensures your devices stay charged no matter where you are. Its solar panels harness the power of the sun, providing an eco-friendly and reliable energy source. At number 9, we find the portable Wi-Fi router. This device ensures a stable internet connection, which is crucial for digital nomads. Whether you're nestled in a remote wilderness or bustling city, this gadget keeps you connected with the world. Sliding into the 8th spot is the Kindle E-Reader. Perfect for downtime, this gadget allows you to carry an entire library without the weight. Its long battery life and glare-free screen make it a must-have for any avid reader. At number 7, we encounter the noise-canceling headphones. From crowded cafes to noisy streets, these headphones provide a personal oasis of calm, improving focus and productivity. The 6th spot goes to the portable laptop stand. This lightweight and compact gadget ensures ergonomic comfort, promoting good posture and reducing the risk of neck and back strain. Just before we dive into more tech-savvy products, here's a quick reminder to subscribe to our channel if you're enjoying this content. Click that red subscribe button right now, and while you're at it, don't forget to hit the bell icon too. This way, you'll be notified every time we upload a new video, keeping you up to date with all the latest digital nomad tech. Now let's get back to the countdown. Coming in at number 5 is the external hard drive. This gadget provides extra storage space for important files and documents, acting as a secure backup and freeing up your device's internal storage. At number 4, we have the portable monitor. This gadget provides an extra screen for multitasking, boosting productivity by providing more workspace. Breaking into the top 3, at number 3, we find the Multiport USB Hub. This device expands a single USB port into several, allowing you to connect multiple devices at once. At number 2, we have the VPN Router. This gadget provides a secure and private internet connection, protecting your data from potential threats. And now, drumroll please. The most essential gadget for digital nomads is the lightweight, high-performance laptop. With its portability, power, and functionality, this gadget serves as the heart of every digital nomad's tech arsenal. In conclusion, these gadgets embody the essence of a digital nomad's lifestyle: mobility, flexibility, and productivity. They transform challenges into opportunities, making any place a perfect workspace. So whether you're a seasoned digital nomad or just starting your journey, these gadgets can pave the way for a seamless and efficient remote working experience. Remember, in the realm of digital nomadism, the right technology isn't just a tool, it's a game changer. Before we wrap up, don't forget to join our growing community of tech enthusiasts and digital nomads. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. We're committed to bringing you the most innovative and effective digital nomad tech, so you won't want to miss what we have in store. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue to produce quality content. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.